The Stark reaction of photosynthesis, in which synthesis of carbohydrate occurs from carbon dioxide and water, is indirectly dependent upon light. How organisms obtain and utilize energy. Cells cannot survive on their own. They need power to stay alive. They need energy to perform functions such as growth, maintaining balance, repair, reproduction, movement and defense. This means all living organisms must obtain and use energy to live. Energy is the power to do things. This power comes in many ways and forms, but they can all be linked to the sun. It is the source of all energy. A living organism can either make its own food or depend on others to make food for them. For example, green plants produce their own food from a process called photosynthesis. They use the chloroplasts in their cells to capture energy and sunlight. They combine it with water and carbon dioxide from the air to produce sugars for themselves. Green plants are therefore known as producers or autotrophs. Bacteria can also make their own food or break down food. Other organisms eat green plants, which has a store of the energy they produce, to obtain energy. They are known as consumers or heterotrophs. Rabbits and sheep are examples of consumers. Herbivores, carnivores and omnivores are all consumers, and they all have to go find food to give them energy. Anabolism, constructive anabolism. This is a process whereby living organisms use simpler substances to put together, or build complex substances such as carbohydrates, proteins and fats for storage. Such an activity is known as an anabolic activity. Catabolism, destructive catabolism. This is when the cells in living organisms break down complex substances and molecules into simpler substances, often to release energy for use. Metabolism. This is the sum of all the chemical reactions, anabolic and catabolic activities, that go on in the cells of living organisms. It is a continuous process because the moment metabolism stops, the living organism will die.